I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Just went to stand up and get out of bed so I could go to the bathroom and look down. Can I help you with something? Good morning, friends. Just got up, brushed my teeth, and put on a nice comfy sweatshirt. I did not sleep very well last night. Just been having trouble sleeping these past few nights, I don't know. But we are going to start off today's vlog by just getting Vlogmas up as always, and then I want to clean my place before I do any other sort of work-related things. Alrighty, my vlog is uploading now, so I feel good about that. And now I want to tidy up my place a little bit. Let me show you. So it's not super messy, but I just feel like there's there's some stuff there, there's some stuff up there, there's stuff around here. I want to like tidy up a little bit in here, put my clothes away. There's just like a few little random things. Definitely want to clean my bathroom. But I really only have like 35-ish minutes to do this right now, so I'm just gonna try to get as much done as possible before I need to head out for the day, because I'm meeting up with Brendan and he's helping me film a thrift flip video. I'm gonna do like a holiday thrift flip if I can. It obviously depends on what I can find, but that's the idea. And either way, a thrift video. And Brendan is the master thrifter, so I'm gonna let him guide me.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Got a good amount of cleaning done, which is great. Vlogmas is live, so that's good. Now I need to start getting ready. I also had a phone call with my boss where he mentioned some work that he wants me to get done, and it was a lot. So we're gonna have to see how that goes. Just limits the time that I'm gonna be able to spend probably with Brendan, because I'm gonna have to get back here and work on some of that, but that's okay. Also, like, all of our plans for tonight have fallen through, so TBD on our plans for tonight. I'm sure we'll figure something out. Maybe with Tara and Taylor, maybe something with Kate and Alex. I'm gonna deal with all of that in the Uber. This is just shaping up to be a pretty crazy busy month. Not that I mind at all, it's just a lot. I'm always like having a constant struggle of like getting all of my hairs into my ponytail without any like weirdness happening. And the person who cut my hair last time just didn't listen to what I said. I really didn't want any layers in my hair, and they put a shit ton of layers in my hair, so that is a bummer. But we're going with the high pony again today, so I don't have to deal with doing my hair. Just finished getting dressed. I'll show you my outfit in a second. But I want to mention, I feel like, I can't remember if I talked about it on my vlog. I know I talked about it on my Instagram story. Shameless self-plug, go follow me over there. But I have been on the hunt for a natural deodorant that worked, that didn't give me a rash, because I was getting rashes from my Love Beauty and Planet one. But this one has been great. This is the Schmidt's Here and Now, and this is the sensitive skin formula, and it has been working really well for me. I sort of put it on and then go like this, just to make sure that it's totally rubbed in, because sometimes I can see a little bit of like gray, like something left over, and I don't want it to get on my clothes, but when I do this, it doesn't. So I've really been enjoying this deodorant. Highly recommend if you're looking for a natural one. Okay, oh, you know what I want to put on? Some of that honey lip balm again. So good. I linked to this yesterday. If you missed it, I'll link it again. I'm just obsessed with the color it puts on my lips. So cute. Fantastic. Let's head out. Okay, OOTD before I call my Uber. Just wearing this bodysuit. I forget where it's from, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's ribbed, it's nice. I've had it for a long time, so it probably doesn't matter where it's from, because you probably can't get it there anymore. My mom jeans from XLE. These are like my favorite mom jeans. They're just like a little tight, there's really no stretch to them, so not as comfortable, but looks-wise, they are like so perfect. And then this little cardigan, which I thrifted which is appropriate since I am now going thrifting. And now I'm going to call my Uber and head over to meet up with Brendan. Got myself an iced matcha. Brendan works here, so he made it for me. Thank you, Brendy. And he gave me extra sweetener in case it's not sweet enough for me. He knows me so well. Let's try this. Perfect. It's so good. Brendy and I got some food. He got this little breakfast bowl, which looks and smells amazing.
Yeah, look at
Still waiting on mine, but I got like a little grain bowl. I'll show you when it gets here. But wow, that looks so amazing. Look at this bowl. Oh my gosh. It is so big.
I tell you, it's a lot.
Oh, I love it. I haven't eaten yet today, so this is going to be delish. It comes with like this yummy yogurt dressing. Yum. So we are on the road now. Brendan kindly let me borrow his jacket because it is raining out like a lot.
We almost crashed.
And I was not expecting it. We almost crashed.
Yeah, almost
Things are going rough right now. Well, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Get your backpack off of your lap, you dummy.
No, it feels good.
So Brendy and I are off to go thrifting now. I'm actually filming this for my main channel, so probably won't put too many clips in my vlog from this. But finally have some solid plans for tonight, so I'll get some fun clips later on to hopefully make this vlog slightly more entertaining. Oh my god, I have something so crazy to show you too.
Oh, fuck, yes.
You are gonna die, but I can't show you while you're driving because I need you to get a good look at it. Here's what I'll tell you about it.
Is it a penis?
No, but it is sexual.
I knew it.
I found
Oh my god.
photos that belong to me on a porn website. And that's what I'm gonna tell you for now. You're gonna have to wait to see. I know. There's a store cat here. How lucky. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, you have the same coat as my little ginger back home. Just a fat ginger. Alrighty, just made it back to mine and... Oh, hold on, I got it. There you go,
it's
Brendy.
Just me crying for attention.
Anyway, yeah, I have to show Brendan.
Okay, we're doing it.
I've never even talked about this on my YouTube channel before.
What?
I know. You're gonna die over this. You're gonna die. Oh god, here it is. Oh, and it's weird because I update it so often. So,
Oh my god, I'm nervous.
I found my feet
No!
on wikifeet.com.
Ew! Ew!
Jill Cimorelli.
Ew!
My
How
rating,
do you know?
I have 5.5 stars.
Oh.
Beautiful feet.
Oh, Jill. Why do
So
you
I've
have a
gotten
picture of your
41
feet?
beautifuls, 19 nice, 13 okay, 5 bad, and 6 ugly.
6 people thought they
But
were
look, they're
ugly.
just like my photos that happen to show
Oh
my feet. They're not photos of...
Oh,
This is a screenshot from an Instagram story.
Oh my god. These people put your...
And like Connor's face is on there. Poor Connor.
with his Instagram handle. No.
Wait. There's
Oh my
They
god.
like take screenshots of my Instagram
your
stories where I
little
show my
feet.
feet or like I'm showing my shoes or something.
Oh my
I know.
god.
And they update it so fast. Like if I posted something today, it would be up there tomorrow.
Oh,
Wait.
like a
I have to show you the best
fetish.
part. The reviews. People
Oh my
write
God.
reviews.
Jill, this is honestly the best thing ever.
So someone wrote 22 years old according to the site. AKA I've been on this site since probably before I was 22 years old. So that's depressing. Someone says, hells yeah. Sexy. This was funny. Honey, ... stick to wearing socks. Like I'm not trying to be
Honey,
successful
maybe
at this. What the fuck?
stay off of WikiFeeds or whatever the
Right?
fuck this website's name is. Holy shit.
How hilarious
Did you
is
look
that?
up Tara? Is Tara on it?
No, this bitch. At least last time I looked. It's so unfair. Why are my feet? Tara feet are smaller than mine. She should definitely nothing.
People like-
Search Tara Michelle, nothing.
Nothing. And you have, the thing is that people rate. That's the best part.
It's so funny.
Like, wow.
How horrible is that?
Now every time you post a photo on Instagram,
I think about it all the time.
It's gonna be in the back
But
of
I'm
your
like, I'm
head.
just trying to show my cute new shoes. Like, I'm not trying to like, and what am I gonna do?
You can't. You gotta live your life.
People who like Jill Cimorelli's feet also like Ashley Tisdale, Victoria Justice, Jennifer Lawrence, Margot Robbie, Ariana Grande.
Wow, this is a whole fetish
It's a whole thing.
community.
I know. Hi guys, back home. I've actually been home for like an hour and a half-ish, but I had to just come home and like start working right away because I had some projects for my freelance work that I had to get finished. Still feels weird saying that and like talking about it on here. But got that all taken care of, and now it's the weekend, which I love so much. So we are going over to Kate and Alex's tonight for a little game night. We're gonna order some food in. It's gonna be delicious. I got some board games to bring to theirs, which should be good. And yeah, we're in pretty good shape for a fun little, like chill but still fun Friday night, which sounds perfect to me. Just finished heating up some of this Thai carrot soup. Hold on, let me look at what it's called. Thai style carrot and sweet potato soup. It's from Trader Joe's. It is so crazy delicious. And I just need a little snack. We're getting dinner, obviously, like I said, but my stomach's sort of growling. So I just want something quick and easy. And I'm gonna watch at least part of this episode of Mrs. Maisel, if not the whole thing, before we go. Just like shit is hitting the fan and I need to know what's happening. Got a full episode of Mrs. Maisel, which was wonderful. And just got changed quickly into something a little bit more comfy since we're just chilling at Alex and Kate's, and Connor's on his way to pick me up. We are at Kate and Alex's now. Hello, friends.
I'm not a friend.
No, you're
Thank
my
you.
friend. You're my best friend.
You're my bestie.
Love her. Wait,
And lover, obviously.
Pause for copyright.
Yeah, thank you.
Actually.
As long as it's not Taylor Swift, though, we're probably fine. Okay, we've been here for like 2 hours, and we've
The
just
drinks
been
are
chit-chatting. Yeah, your drinks are very strong, Alex. They are hitting. Look at their cute little Christmas tree.
It's so
wait.
sad.
It's adorable.
It's like an Ollie-sized
And
tree.
they-
Oh, it's a tree
and
for
speaking
Ollie.
of,
You're right, speaking
You
of.
gotta show the little thing.
Oh my goodness.
little
Hello.
pup in the
Are you in a little basket? You love a basket.
Play Christmas songs.
Oh, thank you. So cute. Hi, Ollie. Hi, cutie. Pizza just got delivered. I am very excited for this. Look at all of this. Ranch, garlic sauce.
Pumped are you?
I am 10 out of 10 pumped. And also 10 out of 10 into this store. Oh. Oh, are you kidding me? God damn it. Questmaster got me.
She got you? Sippy sip.
We're playing Clue now. It's a very competitive game so far.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.